What's up, guys? We got a beauty here. We got a 2025 Denali. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because, as you know, these trucks don't come with any type of impact sensor. You can pretty much break the window, pretty much hit the whole truck with a baseball bat. As long as you don't open any of the doors of the tailgate, you're good. And then the factory alarm will go off if you open the doors of the tailgate, but nobody's going to do that. They're going to break your window. They're going to jump in or do whatever they need to do on the outside. Adding the shock sensor gives you a full protection. It's like adding an aftermarket alarm without having to carry an extra fob in your keychain, which that's the beauty of it. And I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass now. We just finished the installation. Before, you will be able to beat on the whole car and nothing will happen. But now I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass. You're going to see that the alarm's going to go off. Okay. And that takes care of the whole car from bumper to bumper. The other side too as well. We'll arm it and I'll show you guys. And our numbers are 305 while we're waiting, because when you arm a factory alarm, it always has a delay, like 15-20 seconds. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If we're here in Miami, we do come out Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, Pepper Pines. But if you're out of state, you can give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible, very easily. So yeah, our numbers again is 305-298-4814. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the glass here, and it's gonna set off. Okay, this concludes the installation on the shock sensor add-on to this 2025 GMC Denali. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. Thank you so much.